What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys have a good, beautiful day or weekend. The summer, it's about to be started in a few days here. Super excited. Got a few goodies for the car. Some carbon fiber from Sand. Shout out to Sand. Had the items that I wanted in stock. It was super fast shipping. I don't know if you guys still remember, but I have few accessories from him. Pretty good quality. I have the door handle. It's still holding after literally 5 years or so, or 4 years. The car been sitting outside for so long. One of them start chipping a little bit, fading or whatever, but all of them is still holding really good. So today's video, we're gonna be installing a couple goodies or accessories in the car. I'm super excited. I had them for over a month or so. It's just been busy. I'm trying to get on content and everything. First one is this one right here. It's for the antenna cover. It's a real carbon fiber. You guys can see the carbon inside. It has tape on it and everything. And you guys will find out why I'm going for this look for carbon fiber. Just stay tuned for that. Big things are coming to this car. It's literally gonna this car transfer to something else, so to like a real race car. So we got this piece right here. Got a bunch of people around me. I'm trying to knock this video really quick for you guys. And here we go. We got the Mugen style mirror caps. I had the northern ones, full carbon fiber, and I swapped to the OEM ones after I got the car back or whatever. And it's just been lazy to put another one back on. But since I saw these, I kind of want to have these instead of another ones. I had them for a little while. And I'm gonna be putting those ones for sale if you guys want them. They're still very nice looking. I had them only for a few months before the car broke down or whatever. So these ones are really good quality, looks like too. Are full carbon fiber replacement. It's not only the caps or the ones I don't like that stuff. I like full carbon fiber replacement, and the one that I had in previous also just just regular like a OEM style. The full replacement carbon fiber also. You guys can see that carbon fiber from inside. The only thing is not carbon are these tabs right here, which is fine. It's gonna be very difficult to make if you want to make this from carbon fiber also. Pretty happy with the quality overall. They look very good, nice and clean. I don't see anything, it has carbon fiber is super hard to make. Like there is like zero imperfections. So if you guys get in carbon fiber and you see some little dot spots and stuff like that, that's super common with carbon fiber, as long as it doesn't have like excessive amount of dots and imperfections. But if it has a little bit, I mean, yeah, there's a little small dot right here, which is fine. And another one, I think it has like a dot or so. I have looked at them before, which is fine. That, like I said, carbon fiber is really hard to make, and especially when you do that last coat. All the carbon fiber pieces that I had in previous and I saw in other people have very small things going on them. Like I said, as long as it's nothing too crazy. This is another one right here. I really like the way how they look, and I like that Mugen here, and it actually does help with the airflow, whatever, downforce thing. So very nice. You can see carbon fiber from inside also. Very nice pieces. I'm super excited to put this in my car, and my son trying to climb inside the car. And this one's, I don't see any imperfection. I think it has something very small that I saw, or maybe nothing. But like I said, yeah, I think this one is actually super clear. Very good. We'll see him after we install them. So now it's time to install these bad boys. Very excited to do so. This nice piece. Yeah, so we'll start with these. then we'll move to the mirror caps, right? Let's do it. So when it comes to this stuff, I like to use some alcohol. Just rub it off, get any residue. The car is a little dirty, but it's fine. I'm gonna take it for a car wash after. Just do all nice. Nice. So, get another wipe here. Somewhere. So now we're gonna be installing this piece right here. I'm just gonna go like this. This is gonna look sweet. So all we have to do, peel this 3M tape right here, or this cover, and boom. So that takes a couple seconds or a minute to remove all the tape. Now we're gonna go ahead and line this up. So start from here. You gotta do this all the way down, and just kind of press on it really good, and it will stretch out to cover all the white. Just push on it really good. Push on it from the front. Just make sure all the white is covered, because it will kind of stretch a little bit if you just hold it down for a little bit. That's good. Bam. That's done right there. See? Looks really good. That carbon fiber. Sorry guys, my car is a little dirty. We'll take it after this for a car wash, so everything get washed up. Yeah, and then you can see just a little bit of white here. It's alright, but from the back looks good. Jeez. And now we can grab our beautiful carbon fiber. Look at this thing. Yeah, if you guys want affordable carbon fiber, really good quality, yeah, you should go to scentcarbon.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below. This is not a sponsor video or anything, but you know, it has good quality. He's a young entrepreneur, so support the guy, I guess, right? So just line this pretty good. Line it. See, now we're about to find the fitment, if it's good or no. Should be. My son here is helping me out, right, Baba? You're helping me, right? Yeah. It's not. You start grabbing, then does it. There you go. Okay, now I think it sounds pretty good. Dude. Look at this fitment right here. Just like the OEM. Really good. Look at that. Let's see in this corner. Fits really well. Yeah, the edges, all of them looks nice. It fits perfect. Good job, guys. Yeah, they did a really good job with this. I would say this one has a little bit better fitment than the older ones, I would say. The other one, it has a little bit more gap here, but this one, it fits a lot better. Of course, they improved. So, good job, guys. Shout out to Sam. Looks really nice. Look at that. Carbon. Ooh, baby. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Something. Bam. That was a lot easy. Because last time when we took this one off, I think it was easy to pull it out. Get your carbon fiber. Jeez. It's really nice, right? Just align it. I want to say so. Careful, no, Baba, don't touch. Here we go. This is the other side. The fitment looks good also here. Yeah, a line over there. There's no massive gap or anything. This one I had a little hard time to install it, but it looks good now. Yeah, with that carbon fiber. Looks nice. Yeah, bud. Bam. Look at that. We got carbon fiber here. It's a little carbon fiber accent. We got carbon fiber here. We got carbon fiber in the roof. Little carbon fiber. It's pretty good. I don't want too much carbon, but this is enough. I just got this lip right here. Really good. Also, the fitment is not the best. I had to do a good amount of shaving. I still need to work on that to make it a little better. But yeah, they sell carbon fiber one, but I don't want to get a carbon fiber. I feel like, you know, you get it destroyed easily. My car's super low. But these vents with the mirror caps right there looks really nice with that. And I have one more big piece of carbon fiber coming soon. Stay tuned for that massive carbon fiber piece coming to this car. I already have it. I just need time to install it. My baby here. Let me know, guys, if the carbon fiber mirror caps Mugen style worth it, or should I put the OEM back on? I mean, the white one looks fine, but I kind of like the little fingers going over the mirror caps. Yeah, buddy, if you guys like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, a lot more things are coming.